Aloha and welcome. It's good to see some very familiar faces. Honourable Minister, my colleague from Tonga, Honourable Ministers, warm welcome to Samoa. This morning I walked in and my colleagues, the High Commission of New Zealand and Australia, asked me how I was, and I said, surviving. Pastor Morgan Kikira, Honourable Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, development partners, ladies and gentlemen. Talafalava and warmest Pacific greetings. It is a privilege to address this esteemed gathering of partners and stakeholders committed to the long-term sustainability of the Pacific Climate Change Centre and to our collective vision for a resilient Pacific. Our region is on the front line of the climate crisis. Our communities, economies, and ecosystems are experiencing the severe impacts of rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and shifting climate patterns. As small island developing states, SIDS, we bear the brunt of a crisis not of our making. Yet, we remain resolute in our commitment to climate action and resilience building. The Pacific Climate Change Centre is a testament of our shared commitment to climate adaptation and mitigation. The Government of Samoa and the Government of Japan reaffirm their long-standing friendship through this centre. The facility itself, along with continued investments through technical support, illustrates the collaboration necessary in a genuine partnership. Since establishment in 2019, the PCCC has served as a hub for knowledge sharing, applied research, capacity building, and innovative solutions tailored to the unique challenges of the Pacific that will provide the opportunities necessary to shift our approach to building resilience in our Pacific communities. However, the Centre, to fulfill its mandate in the long term, we must ensure that the necessary resources are provided to ensure its financial and operational success. It is a timely reminder that the long-term sustainability of the PCCC requires a multifaceted approach. PCCC needs enhanced support to sustain the key services and in order to fulfill its mandates to address the climate change challenges in our Pacific region. The PCCC's work is vital not just for the Pacific, but for the global climate action agenda. By fostering strategic alliances with regional and international partners, including development agencies and multilateral institutions, we can mobilize sustained funding and technical support for the Centre. Traditional funding sources remain critical, but we must also explore alternative financing options, such as climate bonds, microfinance, private-public partnerships, green financing initiatives, and carbon trading schemes to secure long-term investments in climate resilience. The PCCC must also continue to enhance regional capacity by providing training and resources to local communities, governments, and organizations. Strengthening technical expertise within the region will ensure that homegrown solutions drive our climate resilience efforts. A call for collective actions and genuine partnership is why we are here today. The responsibility to secure the future of the PCCC and our Pacific is a shared one. I call upon all partners to reaffirm their commitment to long-term, predictable and accessible financing for climate resilience through our centre. Samoa remains steadfast in its commitment to the Pacific's climate resilience journey. Together, through collaboration, innovation, and unwavering determination, we will continue to fight climate change that continually sets back our region's sustainable development journey. Thank you all for your kind attention, and I wish you all very fruitful discussions. Soifua, and God bless.